What's up guys, I'm not your boy and I'm not coming back with another brand new video. So basically it's a tutorial video of jailbreaking the iPhone right now. It's not that much easy. That's what we can run some commands. Change the directory for there we go. I don't even know. Someone is calling me right now. It's not much easy. So it's a Linux platform, right? Someone is calling me. You simply copy, paste it. What just happened? Sorry guys, it's my fault. What we have in a new folder title. What we have in the desktop. A lot of command right. We have another directory running here. And some. Oh, here we have running on country right. Where it is. Here it is. Found right. Also, I have changed the directory right. That's fine. If we check, if we simply search here, what is check run? Right, going to download it. It's very easy to jailbreak your iPhone. Undefined registers, Ubuntu, Linux, Mint, other repository. It is not that much easy. CLA, so we need to manually download, right? We can check name. What is UNR? It's a 6.11 to ARM64. right? It's RX64. So let's download the exact path. System configuration says so far. And choose CLI. I mean this one, right? Oh, I just moved the file, right? Where is this right now? Okay. We have insert here. Let's the directory here, right? Smart. It's very amazing. If you don't know the coding right, you just need to simply search for ChatGPT. I just know the coding, but I just forget about it right now. Okay, fine. Maybe web install the ChatGPT here as well. Where it is. So it's very nice. Solving some stuff using ChatGPT. It's very convenient, right? Oh, where is sorry. Where the code? So basically, we have downloaded the where it is. Let's check one, right? If you just simply open ChatGPT and paste the check one and search, I have downloaded check one. Now I need to install it on my Linux VMware Fusion. Okay, we have already checked it, right? Also, we need to update and upgrade the packages. This command line, simply copy, paste, upgrade all the libraries, and upgrade all the applications. Instead of heading installing of this concrete, right? So there is just two file our stuff, right? Sorry, my voice sounds so odd and see myself like download stuff. So basically, it's free time, right? I just quickly scroll the website. What they said that place. What is read the announcement? All the phones are available with Jailbreak, right? Open a new tab here. Okay, all the package and dependencies. It's a better version, right? I will download this one also as well. Basically, three files here. Go to the CVM. Situation here. And go to ChatGPT. I don't know all the dependencies, right? This is not the right path. This is the right path. So we check it right. Right, checking one, checking two, checking a lot of checking right. What's the name of its check? Push. Yes, right. So basically, we'll copy that file. It's like this. Sorry. Type right. The spelling mistake are in. It's not working. Once. So you simply need to copy. It's not found here. To paste here. color selection, right? Okay. Oh, sorry guys, this is spelling mistake once again. Check one. Oh, it's fine right now. So there is all the bypasses like even BRT check, argument, what's the safe mode and other stuff, right? So connect, choose here, connect your iPhone, iPad, activity beacon, start jailbreaking. Here phone issue the jailbreak, right? Just forget the passcode, the phone. I'm sure about setting the phone right now. I seem to have planned jailbreak this stuff. It's here in my phone. It shows phone is currently unavailable. So this is all. It doesn't mean anything, right? You know all the stuff, and you just want to jailbreaking and all the stuff, right? That's all. This is nice. It's amazing. It's a very great day. This is education purposes. All of that. What is this? It's Grammarly, right? What is this? So that is all, right? Thank you very much for watching my videos. So if I search share, what choose? Okay, I'm going to upload the video on YouTube. My channel name is The Torch BDB. Thank you very much. Thanks, ChatGPT. Amazing work, right? Good night, everyone.